Yo, what's up guys? My name is Kodak and welcome back to the next video. I've been to coffeeshop 137 again and I bought many strains that we are going to test in the next days. And the first one that I would like to present you is the ice cream cake. Ice cream cake is a mix of wedding cake and gelato 33. So I'd say first let's have a smell like always. Oh. The first thing that I have in my mind, and I also already said it in the shorts, is a vanilla sugary cake. I can also smell some spices inside, so I really like it. And that's why I would say let's go over immediately to try it. Alright guys, we're back. As you can see, I rolled myself up a cigarette which contains 100% tobacco. YouTube, do you understand? There's 100% tobacco inside the cigarette. So while I smoke the cigarette, I will try some of that ice cream cake that I got from the candy shop. Alright, so what I can tell you that the taste of the ice cream cake is exactly as good as the smell. It has this really sugary, a strong sugary taste that is coming together with a nice spicy note. Unfortunately, the taste is not as good as I expected. The ice cream cake smells very good, but the taste is not as appealing. I think there are some flavors missing, some terps or whatever, but the taste could be way better. And it's not a pleasurable experience to eat this ice cream cake that I acquired from a candy shop with the name coffeeshop 137. And I'm smoking, as I already said again, I'm smoking a cigarette filled only with tobacco because I'm eating an ice cream cake also next to it, or I already ate that ice cream cake that I'm reviewing right now. So all in all, I would say it's okay. The initial taste is what I was explaining, the sugary, doughy taste, but after that it's not very appealing anymore. So like always, let's wait 10 minutes until I digested that ice cream cake, and once I'm back I can tell you how it makes me feel. Okay guys, 10 minutes are over. I digested that ice cream cake and I really like what it's doing to my body. I feel very relaxed, but very mellow also. Can I describe it? Mellow, like light and relaxed. I am happy. All in all, I think it's a good cake that you can eat over day without feeling too heavy and maybe get tired. If you enjoyed the video, consider to subscribe or leave a like. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.